Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this guy in Blender. Very simple and basic guy, very cool looking guy. I'm going to model this in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This was the reference, and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.